Hey guys, it's Julia here from Love Music and Crafts YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a paint pour. This is actually my first time doing it, but I've seen it all over Facebook and on YouTube, and they look like so much fun. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks so much. Okay guys, so what you're going to need today is canvases, and I believe I got these at Ross for $6.99 or $7.99. Yep, $7.99 for 6 canvases. And then these red Solo cups I just had lying around the house. And then to thin out the paint, I'm going to be using tacky glue, which I got from the Dollar Tree. And then this is all my paint that I'm going to be choosing from today. So this is mostly from Walmart, actually. I buy most of my paint from Walmart, so this is what we're going to work with today. Alright? Okay, so you're going to want to set up your canvas on cups or something that you don't mind that's going to get dirty or paint on. And then I'm choosing 4 different colors, and then this is going to be my main mixing cup that I'm going to do a dirty pour in. And then I'm going to choose 4 colors from my paint over here, and what I'm going to do is put it in the cups, and then I'm going to mix in the glue to make it thinner and pour easier. Okay. Okay guys, the thing I forgot to say was make sure you cover your space with some plastic. You could use a Dollar Tree shower curtain. That's an easy grab at the dollar store. You can use plastic bags. I'm using an old Charlotte Russe bag. And then I got these at the dollar store. I couldn't find popsicle sticks, so I just got these dowels. I'm going to use them to mix up the glue and the paint together to make it thinner so it's easier to pour. Okay guys, so now I've got all my paint mixed up, and I've got a little bit of water in my last cup, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water to each paint to make it a little thinner. I'm not exactly sure if I'm doing this 100% correct, but it's my first time, so we'll see how it goes. And then I'm just going to mix it up just so it makes it super thin and pouring consistency. Okay guys, so now I have my main cup. I'm going to add a little bit of it at a time for each color. So So I'm just pouring a little bit in there of the purple. And make sure you have something under so if it spills, it doesn't get on your table. A little bit of the blue. And I'm going to do a little bit of the dark blue. I just did the light blue. I'm going to stand up so I can see it better. Then I'm going to go in with my hot pink. Add a little bit of the hot pink. Now, the hot pink isn't as runny, so let's see how this goes. Then I'm just going to go in and add more of every color until I have it the way I like it. Now this is going to be a dirty pour, so it's going to be completely random on how it turns out, like most pours are. Okay, now that I've got all of it poured in there, it's all different colors in there. We'll see how this turns out. Okay, so I've got all my colors in the one cup. Now I'm gonna really quick put it in the middle of my canvas and tip it over really fast as you can do it. And then I'm gonna move it so it covers the whole canvas. And then what I'm going to do is just tilt the canvas. Wow, that is beautiful. And so it runs over all the edges. I love that. It's a lot of purple though. I don't know if I'd do as much purple next time. More pink. And if you want during this process, you guys can have gloves on, so if you get any on you, it won't get on your skin. It's completely up to you. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little bit of blue and pink in there. Mostly purple though. And now that I'm all dirty, I'm gonna stop the video. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I went back in and added a little bit more pink. So I just took my single individual pink cup and tipped it over and added some more pink in there, and then I flipped the canvas and tilted it so it would run all over instead of just being in one spot. And so this is how it turned out. I really love it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your day.